So what's up, YouTube? We are here another day at Alex's. It's like a beautiful 80-degree day. He's on his way to Vegas to Con Expo, and he's getting a flat right before he's got to go, so he's in a rush changing it. But today's a day a lot of people on YouTube have been wanting to see. I'm finally going to be riding with somebody that is pretty well known on YouTube with dirt bikes and pit bikes, so we'll show you guys who it is once he gets here. So good. Look who it is. Tyler Monagan. I was just telling
Finally meeting up.
Yeah, I was just telling the YouTube that it's been a while. A lot of people on YouTube have been wanting us to ride.
You're already breaking out the camera.
It's finally here. Yeah, screw it.
This is sick.
The gear is on.
Here we go. First ride.
They want us to collab, and it's finally here.
Finally.
He's got his fresh
years
250.
in the making.
Yup, it has been years in the making because people have been commenting on my stuff the past few years, and I've seen it on his channel too, to ride pit bikes and whatnot. I was just telling them, now that we're finally all together riding, they do have to make a trip down to the Delb compound.
This summer.
Yep, it has to be this summer. He's got this fresh 2020 CRF, have you seen on his channel recently? And we're gonna rip it up at this fresh private track. This one's really easy. I don't know how comfortable you guys are with hitting jumps, but
probably third.
yeah, if you just jump it out a few times, like overshoot and land in between, you kind of just see where it is, and that little bit extra is all it needs. Damn, T-Mog just hit that. Hit that tabletop. Seeing you just grease that all by yourself.
Hit that, like,
dude, I saw that. You did that all by yourself though. I don't know how I saw your foot in the air. I was like, what
happened? It just kind of kicked me weird.
Yeah.
Like, all right, here we go.
There you go.
Let's go.
It's a lot more intimidating than it really is.
It really is.
I'll give it to him. T-Mog's pretty good at wheelies. This thing sounds good with those Yoshi pipes.
Yeah, decent. My sick straighters, you know.
You're ripping though. You're ripping. There you go. Your film dude back there is gonna go home and buy himself a new CRF, right? What are you thinking? You're gonna get a 19 or 20?
What do you think about that pit bike? 19 or 20 you picking up now?
Gotta get the 20.
Gotta get the 20?
Gotta get the freshie, the freshest.
Let's go. I actually don't have too many like clips from like somebody filming me on this thing.
We'll get a few.
So now I'm definitely gonna have to check out the T-Mog vlogs to see these clips. Alright, well the day is concluded. They got all their stuff packed up. Finally, we got the collab with me, T-Mob, here down in Florida on big bikes. It's not on pit bikes. We will get that though. We will get that. It was good ripping with you. So if you guys want to see some more clips of us ripping, check out his channel. I'll drop it in the description below. Yeah, I appreciate you guys coming out. It was good ripping with you. If you guys like this one, give it a thumbs up. Please remember to subscribe. We'll catch you next time. Peace.